Today I'll teach you how to use two powerful tools, CHAT GPT and AI Gemini, to learn English faster and more effectively. I am a language teacher and I use AI to teach my students or for my own learning. If you are beginner, intermediate, or even advanced, this video is for you. So first, what are ChatGPT and Gemini AI? They're chat box, which means you can type any question and you get human-like answers in seconds. You can ask them anything: grammar rules, conversation, pronunciation, and so on, using ChatGPT for English. I will give you some steps. The first one you can use to learn vocabulary. You can type the prompt, give me 10 idioms related to animals and explain me each one. Then the chat will answer you and give you the 10 idioms and the explanation. And if you ask for translation, you will get it too. Step 2, grammar explanation. For example, you can type, give me the difference between since and for. Step 3, conversation practice. You can type, give me a conversation between a waiter and a customer. Maybe you intend to travel abroad and you need to know how to communicate with the waiter, and you can practice using ChatGPT. Last step, pronunciation help. Let's imagine you need to know how to pronounce these two words, this one, and you don't know how to pronounce them, so you can ask the ChatGPT to help you in it. Use Gemini on your phone. I will tell you, you can use Gemini to help you. Maybe you want to summarize a text in English, but you just know in Portuguese. So you write your text in Portuguese and you ask the Gemini AI to summarize it in English for you, so you will get it in English. Or you can use Gemini AI to correct any text you wrote. For example, check for mistakes using the simple past. You can write, I go to a good restaurant last night, and ask the Gemini to correct any mistakes. 5 smart ways to use AI to learn English. 1. Create a list of new words every day. You can ask for the chat box to create a new vocabulary related to anything you want in English every day. 2. Correct your texts. As I said before, you maybe committed a mistake and need to know where you got it wrong, so you can ask to the chat box to help you to correct. 3. Practicing speaking. You can always ask ChatGPT or Gemini to create conversations related to the subject you would like to practice. 4. Ask for quiz questions. Example, you want to study or to remember things about simple past, and you can ask the chat to create a quiz about simple past for you. 5. Summarize texts in English. Again, as I said before, you can ask the chat box, the ChatGPT or Gemini AI, to summarize text in Portuguese to English for you. If you don't know how to make it in another language, you can ask the chat to help you. ChatGPT or Gemini AI, pros and cons. I'll show you the pros and cons about each one now. ChatGPT, better dialogues. Yes. Gemini, not yet. Multilingual help. ChatGPT, less accurate. Gemini, native language support. Creative writing, excellent, ChatGPT, and Gemini, basic. Simple answers, ChatGPT, good, and Gemini, great. How I'd study with AI for 15 minutes every day. I would do a 5 minutes vocabulary list and 5 minutes about conversation with subjects I would like to learn, and 5 minutes dedicating to writing correction. AI won't replace your teacher, but it's the best study partner out there. Try ChatGPT and Gemini and let me know in the comments which one you found better to use and in what ways you used them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the English tips to boost your English. See you next video. Bye bye.